Well, what do we have here? Some of us may remember this original opener of mine, and some of us may not. But I was the first one in the community to ever have one of these because I got it literally a month after it was brought to the market. And it's the original 8557 3/4 horsepower belt drive, the MyQ version of the 3585. You can see my buddy's interested in the box there. This was the one on the 16x7 that I shot many years ago on video. It's been sitting in storage for probably the last 8 or 9 years. I've just now brought it home. Still in mint condition. It was not on the 16x7 for probably more than a year, maybe not even that. But as you can see, it's one of the originals because there's all the original remotes because I have 3 of these. There's one that was on the 9x7 and one I had in the collection. All dated August of 2013. And original keypad from September of 11 when they announced the MyQ stuff darn near. And as you can see, we have the original style case with the raised name placard that is metal and not a piece of foil sticker like the newer ones like this one, the 8587 WL. So it's definitely the original, and it definitely sounds really good. I just ran it. It hasn't been ran in years. You can see some of the original accessories back when you used to get the full handle, like they should still be doing, in my opinion. There's the box for the keypad. That's what the original boxes look like for those. Many of us have already seen those. Sensor brackets, typical. As you can see, the box took a beating sitting in storage. It was an unclimate controlled storage. So anyway, we will run it. I will use the up-down arrow on the logic board to run it. Let me reach in here. If I can find the arrow. Here we go. Maybe. It does sound a little more magnified in the noise. That's because it's sitting in the foam. If I pull it out of the foam, it's quieter, but I'm not going to just because it's a safe spot to keep it. Maybe, come on. So there they are. They still exist. I still have my 8355 too. I have all the 3280s that I've shown. I have the 2265s. I have the 2280s. They're all buried in a storage unit full of junk and these things. And I've just been slowly going through it. But figured I dug this out. So here it is. This is the one that was on the 16x7. It was the ideal door at the time, I believe. And yeah, just thought I'd share with you. I still have it. Still running strong. Still doing good after sitting all these years. And as you can see, I also have an original 8587 over there as well. I think I showed one of those already a few months back, so this will be the second one. I didn't realize I had this one. This is one from July of 13. I believe they announced these in July or August of 13. They came out together, the 8587 and 8557 back in the day. But anyways, I'm rambling. Here you go. Just figured I'd give it to you so you could have it. Just so you know, I still got it. Have a good one.